Are cloud costs optimized? Gaining control with cloud cost optimization. While you're making strategic budgeting decisions for the upcoming year, you're likely looking to gain more control over your cloud costs. According to the Flexera 2021 State of the Cloud Report, optimizing existing use of cloud spend and gaining better financial reporting on cloud costs were two of the top 3 cloud initiatives for 2021, as they have been in years past. Decision makers are finding themselves asking, what am I spending and where? How do I allocate costs to the business? And how do I identify waste and take action? And considering that cloud spend is a very significant portion of spend for many enterprises, it's easy to see the strategic significance of answering these questions. In 2021, we see that cloud spend continues to rise, with 36% of enterprises spending over $12 million per year. And unfortunately, a good portion of that spend goes to waste as well. Wasted cloud spend is a major issue and becomes more critical as cloud costs continue to rise. Most organizations estimate that they waste 30% of their cloud spend, but that spend is actually likely less efficient as many organizations tend to underestimate the amount of waste. At Flexera, we found that, on average, actual waste is 35% or even higher. So when it comes to the question of, are our cloud costs optimized? The answer is understandably, probably not. And that's because cloud cost management comes with a few inherent difficulties. Those are the lack of visibility. People are using multiple clouds and have multiple sources of information. When they get that information, data complexity becomes another big issue. Not only is it information from different sources, it's in different formats, they have to use different tools, and they may not even have the right permissions. On top of this, vendor bills are very difficult to understand. They contain millions of lines of data and are extremely complicated. It's hard to know where to start or what to do with all the information, and this presents a huge challenge for IT, business unit leaders, and procurement. It's very difficult when you're managing a multi-cloud environment to be able to produce the information that people on your team or to whom you report want to see. Tools that people are using include native tools offered by cloud vendors, and in addition to this, they may just be using Excel. It's all incredibly manual, so it takes a long time to do anything. There's no automation in place, so anytime your costs change, you have to go through the whole process of looking through your data and making sense of it, and this can have to be done on a monthly or even weekly basis. If you don't have this information available to you in an automated way, you're not getting alerts and reports, and so waste comes about very easily and very frequently. An advantage of cloud is the ability to scale up or down dependent on demand. And cloud provides this elasticity, but the management of that can be hard, and it's easy to have wasted spend. There are resources that are unused or underutilized, and you can't tell whether you are maximizing the value of discounts from your cloud providers. So this is where Flexera's cloud cost optimization solution comes in to help you solve these problems. Flexera's cloud cost optimization gives you the ability to visualize, contextualize, and manipulate your cloud costs from AWS. Along with visibility into trends, anomalies, and answering the question of who is spending what and where, it also allows you to take proactive and reactive steps to drive automated compliance and cost optimization in your cloud environments. Cloud cost optimization enables you to gain a complete picture of cloud costs with combined billing data and detailed usage information, allocate cloud costs to your appropriate cost centers or teams, provide tailored reports to every part of your organization, and slice and dice cloud spend by clouds, data centers, instance types, and more. You can also drill down from summary data all the way down to individual servers. Cloud cost optimization also allows you to automate your governance controls with a broad set of out-of-the-box policies, or by creating custom policies tailored to your needs. Let's take a look at a few more of these features in detail. Cloud Cost Optimization's tabular view allows you to slice and dice your bill data to uncover and identify opportunities in any way that fits your organization. You can subdivide your bill across any single dimension or any combination of multiple dimensions. As an example, You can view costs associated with AWS, a specific cost center within that account, a particular application, or even an individual user, all the way down to a specific day and time for that user. This allows you to find the quick and significant wins to mark for further investigation and optimization. Add even further value to this tabular view, Cloud Cost Optimization's rule-based dimensions allows you to create your own dimensions that aren't tied to any particular boundaries. Rules-based dimensions can span accounts, providers, or include multiple projects and cost centers so that you can visualize your cloud costs in any configuration or structure that makes sense for your own internal use cases. Cloud Cost Optimization provides you with all the relevant cuts of data to optimize your cloud value to its fullest potential. When cloud providers offer discount plans like reserved instances and saving plans, in order to enable accurate showback and chargeback for cost accounting across business units and applications, you need the ability to properly allocate them to the accounts that use them. Cloud Cost Optimization helps you see exactly where these discounts are being utilized to ensure you're completely accurate in your showback and chargeback efforts. Cloud Cost Optimization also gives you full visibility into your spend across all resource types and see what portions are covered under discounts, whether that's reserved instances, savings plans, or spot instances. When you combine this powerful functionality with Cloud Cost Optimization's recommendations, you can identify more candidates to be covered by discounts, giving you the most value from your cloud spend as possible. And Cloud Cost Optimization is part of Flexera One, Flexera's technology value optimization platform. And the Flexera One platform is API first, meaning that any and all functionality you see within Cloud Cost Optimization can be accessed programmatically. That means your development and engineering teams can automatically schedule optimization checks and also automate the execution of any recommendations that result from these optimization checks. And Cloud Cost Optimization helps you add muscle to Showback and Chargeback. When organizations are looking to accurately account for their cloud costs, many use Showback, Chargeback, or a combination of both to show their internal business units, allowing them to show their users the amount of cloud costs that each incurs. And by even just showing this visibility into costs, it can inspire internal groups to self-optimize their cloud spend once they realize just how large the extent of their costs are. And if this is chosen to do so broadly, they can compare and benchmark against other internal groups as well. Cloud Cost Optimization has powerful functionality within Showback and Chargeback, including the ability to add adjustments to the cost shown to users, such as the addition of overhead charges for the central IT team's efforts and involvement, or to distribute costs such as provider-supported contracts across all the groups that participate in that contract. So why choose Flexera? Flexera gives you the ability to get complete cloud spend management and visibility in one place. We have a powerful policy engine, thanks to Flexera One, that enables the automated governance of costs, operations, security, and compliance. And Flexera's rule-based dimensions API allows for flexible grouping of costs to help you view cost data in a consistent way that fits your organization's specific needs. And Flexera is with you on every step of the cloud journey, from pre-migration planning and migration optimization, all the way through continuous cloud lifecycle governance and automation to help you reduce your overall spend and risk. Visibility is key to gaining full control of your cloud costs in the coming year. To learn more about cloud cost optimization, visit flexera.com.